Hi there, welcome to the unboxing video for the Huawei Nova 2 Plus. Huawei Nova 2 Plus is a mid-range 5.5-inch smartphone that features a dual camera setup. The Nova 2 Plus comes standard with a fast charger, a USB Type-C cable, and a headset along with a quick start guide. Featuring a compact design that is 6.06 by 295 by 0.27 inches, the phone weighs a mere 168 grams and boasts a robust aluminium frame. For camera enthusiasts, the Nova 2 Plus comes equipped with dual back cameras, a wide-angle 12 megapixel lens, and a long focus 8 megapixel lens. In stark contrast with traditional designs, the smartphone's front-facing 12 megapixel lens is where the unit really shines, an impressive addition that selfie lovers will certainly appreciate. Operating on the Android 7.0 platform, the smartphone features a high-silicon Kirin 659 system chip, a 2360 MHz octa-core processor, and a battery capacity of 340 mAh. In terms of power usage, the Nova 2 Plus battery life can be stretched to 2 days with casual usage. While the smartphone isn't designed purely with gaming in mind, the addition of the Kirin 659 chipset makes the Nova 2 Plus ideally suited for casual gaming. Another major draw of the Nova 2 Plus is the phone's high audio fidelity, achieved thanks to Huawei's adoption of the AK4376A Hi-Fi chip and its combination with Huawei's lab's own audio algorithm, Huawei Hissen. When combined, the two technologies help to minimize distortion with audio processing, the end result being crispier music and audio fidelity.